Yes. As a matter of fact, meron akong kaibigan na magaling siyang magtalukbong. Sabi ko, huwag kang magtatalukbong kasi iisipin ka na terrorist ka. And we were not, I mean, at that time, we don't care because we were just attacked. We have trust issues with people that describe the people that attack America. And at that time, we don't care. It's like you attack me, then don't feel bad. Do you blame me? Ganun ako noon. Pati sa mga yung mga a lot of the people like this are very nice generally. It's just the extremist group. Generally, itong mga regular na Islam group are very nice people, but the extreme group are the terrorists. And America was changed forever after that. Ang marami akong naririnig na comments noon is that America was very arrogant. We are very confident that this country is so big, we're so powerful that nobody will even think of doing an attack to us. And when that happened, the whole America was shocked. Like, wow, how would they have the audacity to attack a country like us? So it bring it to like the arrogance of being an American to the humility, like be humble. And as a nation, we came together. And maalala ko yun noon, yung lahat ng mga eroplano that are going out and coming into America were all canceled. And I remember na lahat ng mga taong darating sa Amerika at lalabas ng Amerika were not able to. And a lot of Americans were stranded all over the world.
Mama,
I don't even remember at that time, sorry, kung it was a week or so, but everybody, the whole world showed kindness to Americans that were stranded to whatever country they were. And that's what happens, yung human element natin lalabas na we become united as humans.
Ma'am Marisa, after nitong 9/11 bombing, kailan niyo masasabi na nakabangon ang Amerika? And ano yung mga kinaharap na mga problema ng bansang Amerika nung mangyari ito pong di malilimutang insidente po na ito?
One thing that rose from this was patriotism. Ang daming mga movie stars went and joined the military to fight because at that time the number one target is to find Bin Laden. And I remember that he was killed May 2, 2011, which is what, 10 years? About less than 10 years when he was killed, but at that time, pero it took America to come back from this. This was a big blow to the security of America as a whole. It's this country, as the American people we were very, like, walang security, yung laging, it became real na terrorism is real, and that there are these terrorists that targets to kill Americans. And we became aware of the Quran, what it stands for, and why Americans were target. And a lot of people like me became interested to why we're not doing anything to you and why you want to kill us. So, but it was a big challenge. Ang tagal na naka-recover ang America at that time. I know that we got hit, like it was, I think, talagang ang hirap nun yung pagbalik. I remember that President Bush was the president at that time. And hindi makahinga ng maluwag ang Amerika until Bin Laden was killed. And I don't even know how many billions of dollars were spent to find him. But remember, the war there started, and it was a tragedy. But because of this, America became stronger and better. And I think as a country, we did realize that we can be a target. And ever since, America was never the same. That from weapons to military, they made sure that we were very strong. And as a country, even today, when I just walk, like there's flags everywhere still. You go to the roads, mga flag ng mga military are all over the place. It's still reminding you that was because of 9/11.
Yes, Ma'am Marisa, para sa kaalaman ng mga kababayan natin, ano nga po ba itong World Trade Center? Ano ba yung kinikater niya? Ano ba yung gusali na yan? At paano ito nagkaroon na, kumbaga parang, yung importance po nito sa bansang Amerika?
It was the finance capital of America. It's all the different finances are being transacted in this building.
Mhm.
So basically, this is our money centers. So, and the thing is, the reason na maraming namatay dyan, it's because it's the trading center of America with all the people around the world. So that's why that was one of the target. It was one of the American, ano ba yon, yung, so makita mo yung mga plane na ginamit, puro American Airlines, United
Mhm.
Airlines, because it stands for America.